Yes, yes, absolutely. You know, with guys, with guys and height, it doesn't matter that much, you know, not as much as it does to girls, you know. So as far as the guy's concerned, you could be this short, you know, real short, maybe 4 feet something. And as long as you're attractive and there's another girl next to you and she's tall, you know, a decent height, and she's not attractive, guess what the guy's looking at? He's looking at you. Okay? So at the end of the day, being short, being tall, when it comes to guys, it doesn't matter that much. You know, guys are typically looking at how attractive you are, typically, you know, how you're built, you know. You're not really looking at height. That's not the first thing. When you ask a random guy or random guys out on the street, what's the first thing, you know, the first thing you look at girls? What do you typically look at? You know, you hear stuff like face, you hear stuff like figure, you hear stuff like eyes. It's very rare that you're going to hear a guy say, "Oh, you know, she has to be tall." Okay, so don't worry about that.